Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your specific PlayStation Network account for your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you can't reset it because you forgot the email. Now, there's some different ways to go ahead and recover your account without the email or the password, and the main way to do this is to actually contact PlayStation themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description. That's going to be some PlayStation official website. I'll go ahead and post it on the screen as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on exactly what is going on. So for example, you can see right here, we have need to reset your password, need to change your password, can't access your email or verification info, need to reset a child account password, didn't receive an email on how to prevent full account, whatever. The basic thing you need to do is either if you want to reset your password, you're going to click on the reset your password toggle. If you need to change your password, you can click on the change your password option. Or if you can't access your email or anything like that, what you're going to want to do is click on the can't access your email address. Now, this is the more complicated one. The other ones are fairly easy. You just have to type in your current password and all that stuff. Now, if you can't actually get access to that email address or anything, you're going to want to click on that contact PlayStation support option, and then it's going to go ahead and allow you to actually kind of configure your specific account. So you want to click on account and security. At that point, you want to go ahead and click on password reset and recover my account, and it's going to go ahead and tell you exactly what's going to happen. Now, you want to click on the online assistant option. So you want to go and click on online assistant, and you're going to have to log into your PlayStation account. And here you'll pretty much be able to go ahead and pretty much configure your account and recover your account without your email or password. You'll still need a couple other things here and there, like your user ID or whatever, but you'll still be able to recover it for the most part. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.